Left in the lurch during a pandemic by the sudden closure of 10 local doctors' offices.
I was a little bit, in disbelief. Like, what do I do now?
It's an unexpected blow to a lot of patients, including pregnant women who are now left scrambling to find a new doctor.
Tough place to be in. Holsten Medical Group says nearly 36 doctors resigned earlier this year, but were supposed to stay on until September. Channel 9's Elsa Gillis is live. And Elsa, those doctors have now been dismissed early.
Yeah, Damani, Allison, behind me is one of the locations that is closed now. In fact, we've watched people drive up today to check out that closed sign on the door. One of the patients I spoke with is set to give birth just days from now. So you can only imagine what she's going through.
I've been feeling really good. He's moving around a lot, and we're just getting excited for him to be here, and got his nursery ready and all that.
Allie Skaggs is all smiles when she talks about the baby boy she's expecting in less than 2 weeks. She had been seeing doctors at Holsten Medical Group and was all set to deliver at Novant Health Huntersville Medical Center.
There's a group of them that all would deliver at the hospital in Huntersville, so I had been making a point to try to meet all of them just so it would be a familiar face at delivery.
But over the weekend, she was scrolling through Facebook and was surprised to see those doctors won't be by her side anymore. According to HMG's website, 35 physicians had resigned earlier this year, but were scheduled to stay with HMG until September. Now it says, after COVID-19 impacts to the healthcare organization, all 35 were dismissed as of Friday. 10 office locations have closed, and support staff there were also let go.
First, I was a little bit, in disbelief. Like, what do I do now? Cried a little, because, that's feel like a normal response. We'll blame that on hormones. But and then just, kind of went into like panic, but planning mode at the same time.
Her biggest frustration? Lack of communication. Though the website says patients impacted will get a notification in the mail early this week, she says she's yet to hear from the medical group at all.
Especially those of us with upcoming appointments or, pregnant women who are getting close to delivery, that we should be notified and somebody should be reaching out to us with, here are your options. Here's what we're going to do for you.
Now, the note on Holsten Medical Group's website directs many patients to Novant. So Allie reached out to Novant on her own and rescheduled an upcoming appointment. Over the weekend, she was able to get in touch with her primary OB, who helped walk her through some of her options right now. But unfortunately, the staff she got to know won't be there to deliver her baby, Damani.
We know that there's more to this story here. A big group of doctors left Novant for Holsten Medical Group just last year. So this has got to be just confusing for patients.
Yeah, and that's when Allie herself moved from Novant to HMG. Now, I reached out to Novant. A rep today told me that they're reaching out to any patient who is scheduled to give birth or have a procedure done by an HMG physician at Novant Health Huntersville to ensure they get the care they need. And of course, I also reached out to Holsten Medical Group. A rep told me they know this is a very difficult situation. They regret the closures were leaked prior to patient notification, and that wasn't their intended way to notify patients about this information. They said they're reaching out to patients in addition to the information on their website.
And we are just hoping everything goes well for those expecting mothers out there. Thank you so much for that report.